Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add crop marks and bleed in Canva at 2026. So what are the crop marks and bleed? The bleed, that means an extra space, usually 3 millimeters around your design so nothing gets cut off. And about the crop marks, it's like little lines printers use to know where to cut. So Canva adds them when you export, not while designing. So to do that, you will need to open your design in Canva first. So just go ahead, click on your designs here, and then you can see them just right here. So let me just go with create a design, for example. Right, so we opened our design here, for example, and after that all you need to do is to go and click on share, okay? And then on that pop-up menu, just go ahead and click on download option. After that, just go ahead with the file type right here and set it to PDF, alright? So for example, we'll go with PDF print. Then just enable the crop marks and bleed here and then click on download. So that's it. Canva automatically now adds 3 millimeters bleed and professional crop marks, alright? And before downloading, actually guys, I do really advise you to go and click on files right here, or the file option on the top left corner, and then just go and over on the settings option, it's the third one actually, and then just go and enable show print bleed, right? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.